Sounds of the past and future.
Hearts in the zone. Premier dreams turn to stones. Goodison roaring, Emirates moaning. Another title, hope blown. VAR bars, check the screen slow-mo. One foul call, that's all she wrote. Myles step, Jack hit the floor. Everton equal, fans want more. Arsenal leading, top flight dreaming. First half cleaning, crowd still screaming. Arteta cooking like a tactical demon. But the second half, plot start leaning. Myles Lewis-Skelly in the wrong place. Jack Harrison hit ground, no chase. Ref looked up, VR in space. Penalty given, heartbreak on face.
Oi! It's them sound of sport moments! Drama certified! DJ Dubz inside!
Evidence step, DA cold. Pressure from the spot, nerves on hold. 1-1 level, stories told. Liverpool smiling, title control. Fans online with the fury post. Arsenal dream like a Sunday ghost. Premier League verdict dropped the toast. But football's pain is what hurts most. VAR bars, stopping hearts in the zone. Premier dreams turn to stones. Goodison roaring, Emirates moaning. Another title, hope blown. VAR bars, check the screen slow-mo. One foul call, that's all she wrote. Myles step, Jack hit the floor. Everton equal, fans want more. For the love of the game, for the hate of the core. This is Premier Football, the sound of sport TV where drama lives.
The perfect blend of music and sports. We understand that music is the heartbeat of sports. It's what drives athletes to push harder, what keeps fans engaged, and what makes every moment more memorable. Whether it's the pre-match anthem that gets the stadium roaring or the post-match track that helps players unwind, music is essential to the sports experience. We curate playlists that are perfectly aligned with the energy of each sport, making sure that whether you're preparing for a big game, running your fastest mile, or lifting your heaviest weight, you have the perfect soundtrack to keep you going. The sound of sport TV.